So welcome back to the another video of 21 day agency program. This video we are going to talk about campaign budget optimization. Let me pick up my pencil. Okay, delete. Okay, here is my pencil now. New way. Okay, let me make it small. Okay, now good. So what I was saying, what is CBO and what is ABO? Okay, we all whenever we start the ads we all have that confusion, like which ad campaign should we run CBO, campaign budget optimization, or should we run ABO, ad set budget optimization. I know like lots of people, even CBO was not launched, they written books on CBO without any experience, without any you can say learning, right? They have written books on CBO, and from that books many YouTubers have created a video on what is CBO. That sucks a lot, because the without any experience, when you teach what is, anyone can teach what is CBO, but they cannot explain how it works, when to use, where to use. Okay, when to use, where to use, how to use. No one teaches this in the market, right? They teach you like put the budget, blah 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 shit. They teach you, right? I know, like, so the first thing which I want you to do is, with you all people, okay, remove all the books which you have read it from your mind. Remove all the videos which you have watched on CBO. You can keep in your another part of your mind. Okay, the thing is, like I will explain you when to use, where to use, and how to use. Okay, when, where, how. Okay, and what is ABO also, we will discuss this both. Okay, so let me read this CBO statement first. So CBO stands for campaign budget optimization, means that all Facebook campaign optimization will be made from the campaign level. Instant campaign level will be automatically in real time optimized towards the best performing lowest cost audience based on Facebook themes. Now let's don't go deep inside this. Let's go more in practical side. Okay. Okay. So here is the chart which I have created. Okay. Let me pick up my pencil again. Okay. So this is the campaign. This is your ad set 1. This is your ad set 2. As I told you, you can create many ad set in one campaign. Many ads in one campaign, as I shown you. Just repeating again, so maybe you don't get confused with this. Okay, so what you did, you put a $20 here on the campaign and said Facebook that from this both ad set, get me, okay, spend more money on ad set which is performing more, and spend less money on the ad set which is not performing. You got me? Spend more money on the ad set which is performing, means which is getting us purchase, lead, sales, whatever it is, right? Spend money on that. So what will Facebook will decide? Okay, what Facebook will decide, like, I will if this ad set is getting us more result, it will spend that budget on this. It is not that all $20 will go here. Maybe it's $18 go here, $2 will go here because this is not performing, right? If $18 is going here, it is getting us result, and this is not getting us result, right? Because it's have spent only $2. So you cannot think like this is not performing, right? Now you are saying like yeah, you are right, but why we do this? Okay, let's say our budget is less $20 and we starting with the less budget. At that case, it's okay to deal with this, right? It's okay. But what we can do in the testing phase, whenever we testing our first campaign, I will tell you what is testing and all again in the upcoming videos. Okay, so just absorb what I'm saying here. Okay, so let's say I'm spending we are spending this $20, $18 here and $2 here automatic, that's by Facebook, but we don't know this is working or not, because Facebook have spent it all, because we have just given the $20. If here it is spent around $10 or $15, we can test out, right? Is this working or not? Because just it's spent it $2, it doesn't mean that it is not working, right? Now you are more confused, I think, but yeah, you are getting it what I'm saying. So if you increase this budget to $40, now you see the $30 was spent on this ad and $10 was spent and you got one sale. Here you got three sales, right? And the another day you saw here one sale and here go see you see four sales. So this is all about the testing. So it's on data points, right? All on data and AI. So it is not that ABO will get you result, it is not that CBO will get you result. It's all about the perfect strategy. Perfect marketing strategy will get you result. Perfect strategy, right? So this is what CBO does. So CBO what is, when you put budget on the campaign level, it will put that budget on the best performing ad set. Okay, got it? What is ABO? Ad campaign budget are set for the budget and bidding step of campaign creation, set of total budget for lifetime of the campaign or one set per day to ensure the campaign runs for the duration without running on. Let's now jump on practical. Okay, so here what I did, where my pencil gone? Shakalaka boom boom pencil. Okay, here it is. Is there available Shakalaka boom boom pencil? Let's see. Not available. I have to check that on here. No, there is only boom boom. Okay, leave it. Okay. So what we did here in ABO. So in ABO, what we do is we can put this $20 here on one ad set and another $20 on another ad set. Like we are not putting that money on the campaign, right? We are putting that money on the ad set level. So we can create as many ad set we want and we can give a separate budget to each ad set. So it will ad set budget and I will tell you when to use ad set and when to use CBO in the upcoming videos, and I mean in the next or couple of videos. So you got me what is ABO and CBO in terms of explaining. So campaign budget, what it is, when you put $40 on campaign, it will put that budget on the best performing ad set and ads, right? And when you put on ABO, like, so it is not that it will not, it is, I will tell you when to use and when not to use. Okay, just don't be confused here. So you ad set here, ad set 1 you put at $20, ad set 2 you put at $20 and let them run. So this is what like ABO is. This is the ABO model, this is the CBO manner. On CBO you put on campaign budget and on ABO you put budget on the ad set level, right? Good, you got me. So in the next video we will decide more things on this. Okay, see you there.